All right, here's one of my customers' exhaust that I made. So this is full titanium all the way. You get your bracket, you've got your ball joint, so you can adjust the tip wherever it needs to be. Nobody's doing that but me, except for the McLaren 765 4 tips that go out the back. Moving on down to the mid pipe, he requested for 2 resonators. This, I'm telling you, it sounds the best. I ran it on my car. I mean, it literally, God, does it sound good. 1 sounds shitty. None sounds completely obnoxious and shitty, and I can't stand having it straight pipe. It just sounds like absolute crap. Now, the next one that I'm doing, it is going to a customer that it is straight pipe. That's what they want. Everybody's different. This one's going out today. I got to make another one for another guy, and I got to make a third one for another guy. Now, we are doing another single exit. It's going to be a new product coming out. All right, so it's going to be a hybrid system. So mid pipe is all going to be stainless, and then just the axle back part is going to be titanium. So it's going to be a hybrid. Not to mention, we are getting away with the resonators here. So if you want that awesome sound, we're going to put this in, which is a Helmholtz resonator. That's going to replace the 2 resonators. It's just cheaper to go this route, and it sounds a whole lot better to go that route because I run it on my Tundra. The Tundra has proven it 127 times over and over again because I've sold 127 exhausts to the Tundra guys. That's a V6, that's a V6. That's twin turbo, that's not. But it will do the same thing. I'm going to be running this on my car. I'll have to make an exhaust once I have time. We're going to put that on mine. I'll let you know the feedback on that, but that I'm 99% sure that's going to be a winner when we integrate this guy into the mid pipe of the G37s. Coupes, that is. Only Coupes. And then back here, it's going to be the ball joint and titanium. So stainless and titanium. A little bit cheaper. Straight pipe still going to be $1,000. If you want the Helmholtz resonator all the way, it's going to be $1,500. You're still going to get your colored pipe the way you want it colored. He wanted blue. Some guys want purple. Some guys want reverse burns with gold and purple. You know, the sky's the limit. So we're going to be offering G37 Coupes exhausts. And I think what I'm going to do is make 2. Have them in stock, and whoever buys it, I can ship it out that day. We are no longer going to take money up front and, take weeks and weeks to build it. I'm just going to build it first, and then once it's ready, you guys can buy it. I'll prove that it's on the ground, ready to go. So that's it for now.